Welcome back to the Craft Catalog, where simple materials become clever design moments and small spaces get big ideas. Today we're exploring the surprising potential of a DIY wooden wall organizer with hooks and a shelf. It's a classic project, but once you look at it through the lens of curiosity, it becomes something far more exciting than just a place to hang your keys. Imagine a basic wooden board, nothing glamorous at first. But the moment you attach a small shelf on the top and a row of hooks below, everything shifts. Suddenly this piece takes on a purpose. It becomes an organizer, a display, a welcoming point in your home. Even though the idea is simple, the effect can feel high-end, because wood has a natural ability to elevate a space without trying too hard. The magic starts with understanding your space. Think about that small wall area near your doorway, or the blank corner in your bathroom, or even the narrow stretch beside your desk. These spaces often feel too tiny to be useful, but a wall organizer designed with both hooks and a shelf fits beautifully into places like these. It turns unused walls into areas that work for you every day. The shelf invites endless possibilities. In an entryway, it can hold a small plant, a candle, or a bowl for keys. In a bathroom, it becomes a home for perfume or small jars. In a workspace, it supports photos, sticky notes, or decorative pieces that make the area feel personal. The curiosity spark comes from asking, what small item would look interesting when placed here? That question alone leads to creative styling choices. The hooks below bring functionality. They might hold keys, hats, scarves, towels, kitchen utensils, or crafting supplies. What makes them visually appealing is how they bring order to items that normally scatter around the room. A few hooks can turn a chaotic space into something calm and intentional. There is something satisfying about seeing items hanging neatly, almost like a curated display. The beauty of this organizer lies not in complicated structure but in balance. A simple shelf paired with simple hooks creates harmony. The wood brings warmth. The open design keeps everything airy instead of bulky. Even though the organizer is small, it makes the room feel more organized and more welcoming. What makes this project even more fascinating is how it changes depending on where you place it. In one room it feels like part of the decor. In another, it becomes a hardworking storage tool. It adapts easily, and that flexibility is what makes it feel thoughtful and stylish. When you look at it closely, this project isn't just about creating storage. It's about discovering the hidden value of small wooden pieces and learning how they can shape a space. It's about noticing the wall that feels empty and imagining what it could become. Curiosity is the spark and creativity is the result. Thank you for joining today's Craft Catalog exploration. If you enjoyed these project ideas and want more budget-friendly home decor and crafting inspiration, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep discovering what simple wood can do for your home.